So today let us see how we can use Countif function in Excel to find a number of times an item is occurring in a spreadsheet. So this is a small data set. This could be a reception invitation or a seminar invitation with yes and no responses. So I want to use Countif function to find total yes responses and total no responses. So for that, I select the cell where the total yes response will be displayed. So in the formula bar, I start with the equation Countif times. So as you can see, the Countif function is displayed here, and it says range and then criteria. So range will be number of cells. So I can specify a specific number of cells, say from B2 to B11. But I will select the whole column so that if we enter more data later on, it will also be counted. So this is how we select the whole B column. So as you can see, the whole B column is selected, and then comma, and then we have to set the criteria. So criteria here will be yes, that has to be within quotation, and then close parenthesis. So if you enter, and then the total number of yes is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is counted correctly. And similarly, we count the no's. And the range will be same, the B column. And then the criteria will change to no. And so as you can see that there are 4 no responses. Similarly, if there are numbers or any item in the column in the spreadsheet, we can count. Only thing we have to specify the criteria. So again, if you want to count number of 2's in this small data set, so we start with the equation Countif, and then range will be again B column, comma, and the criteria will be 2. So I want to count number of 2's in this data set. So number of 2's are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So similarly, we can count number of 3's, 4's, and or any item in a spreadsheet using Countif function. And this is very helpful when you have a big data set. So thank you for visiting Science and Tech Simplified. Please do subscribe my channel for more science and tech related videos. And if you have any question or suggestion, please leave comments and I will respond as early as possible. Thank you.